guessing how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Today's hair is from Wowafrican. I'm just wild, y'all, because look at this freaking hairline. Are y'all not seeing what I'm seeing? This, I pulled it out the box like this. Of course, you know, I have to throw it on my head because I'm like, is this real right now? So as you guys can see, I'm blown away because, baby, this hairline is giving what it's supposed to give. Now, honestly, I need to step up my plucking game because mine don't look nothing like this. But look at this, y'all. Look at this beauty. This hairline is impeccable. So this is the details of the unit. I will have the full details like density and all that good stuff in the description section because I don't have it on me. But this is the full construction of the wig. This is a HD lace. Look at those curls, baby. They were nice and soft. Y'all, I'm here for this whole wig. So let's get into installing her. So I'm going in with my Kiss wax stick and I'm just going to place this all over the hairline and follow up with the comb. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb as well to lay the hairline down. Now I was going for that relaxed vibe. Y'all know how when you get a relaxer, your edges look nice and laid. This is my method of giving that. So I don't distress the comb all the way through because I don't want to manipulate the curls. I'm going in to cut off the lace. I cut a line in the center of it and then I switch over to my eyebrow razor. This is going to help me get that jagged edge look so it won't be like a blunt straight line and it, you know, gives wiggy vibes. We are not going for that, but we're going to go ahead and cut this towards the end. And once you get to the ears, you want to go back in with your scissors and cut around. So this is what my lace looks like once I cut off the entire lace that I don't need, and it looks bomb.com. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I did go ahead and tighten up the band in the back to see what it would look like glueless, and baby, fire. Okay, the only thing I probably would have to do is secure down the sides, but other than that, fixing up the part and, you know, fixing the curls, baby, I'm done. This would be glueless, and it's only 2 minutes in, y'all. 2 minutes. So, of course, y'all knowing me, I'm going to go in and secure the whole thing down. I'm going in with my ebony lace spray to do this. I take 1 to 2 to 3 layers, use my finger and push the product back into my hairline. I do go in with my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and I'm going to let that dry until it's tacky. As you guys can see, I'm tapping with my finger. I'm going to give it a little bit more air. And then we're going to go ahead and pull it down towards the edge of where I placed the product. Now look at this, y'all. Do y'all not see how this just melted? It's like I pulled it down and it was like, baby, what? Baby, huh? I am adjusting it so it can look, you know, how it's supposed to look. And I'm making sure the lace is super duper flat as well. Take the back of your comb to reinforce the lace down into the product. And then once you do that, you can add more heat and keep going back in between cycles until it's fully dry with the back of the comb or your finger. So I can see that I do have a little bit too much lace. So I am going to go ahead and cut that off. Now, I was getting confused between my real forehead and the lace because that's how good this thing melts. But as you guys can see, I did trim it up a little bit because the less lace, in my opinion, the better it blends. So So baby, do y'all not see how the good it lay looking? Okay, but I do want this to melt just a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with my tinting spray by Kiss, and I'm gonna spray it on this brush, and we're gonna follow the hairline. That line of demarcation, I want that to blend just a little bit more. I know you can't get it like invisible, but we can blend it the best way we can. So this is the only step that I do as far as melting it. Like I said, I already have foundation and contour on, so whatever, you know, makeup was there adhered underneath the lace, but I personally didn't go underneath and, you know, put anything under there. So this is my little trick. Okay, now we're gonna put this away from our face, and we're gonna go ahead and melt it. Now you can use the Wowafrican edge scarf that they sent to melt it, or you can go in with an elastic band and do it as well. So I am gonna leave this on for about 3 to 5 minutes. So after 3 minutes, 5 minutes went by, one of them, boom. The way this band came off was like, get off of me, like boom. But anyway, y'all see how good it looks. Okay, that extra step helped it blend in just a little bit more. Like I said, it's not gonna be perfect, but baby, this is good enough. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten up that part just a little bit with my comb, and I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and define the part. So I'm just gonna go in and, you know, fix the curls that got a little bit fluffed out. I'm just taking a little bit of my foam wrap lotion and placing it, you know, pretty much all throughout the hair. I'm not doing a curly hair routine or anything like that. I'm just going in, just, you know, putting some foam wrap lotion throughout the hair to, you know, make the curls blend better. But like I said, y'all, I've done nothing. I didn't bleach these knots. I didn't pluck it. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is the same day install, and y'all could tell this unit looked hecka good because your girl didn't even try to do no baby hairs, and y'all already know I am famous for that. If you know me, you know I'm famous for some baby hairs. But y'all, this was literally same day install. If you need a wig that's already done, you just need it, throw it on your head, even glueless, y'all, this is your girl. Look how good she looks. Freaking amazing. Okay, amazing. This is the final look, y'all, and I'm just obsessed with this unit. Y'all don't understand. You can't tell me nothing at all. This wig turns out super duper bomb, and I really, I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so this was super quick, super beginner friendly. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All products and everything I used will be listed down in the description section below. Once again, look at this, y'all. I'm blown away. Wowafrican, y'all did that with this wig. Impeccable. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.